Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. I'm making today a very nice recipe of aloo with baby potatoes, Kashmiri dum aloo. How exciting it sounds. These are the baby potatoes and with just few ingredients we'll be able to make a very nice curry and enjoy it. So let's start making it. These are baby potatoes, around 15 to 20 baby potatoes which I've boiled. Not fully boiled, I have just given them one whistle. Yes, after one whistle you can just take out the potatoes and peel them, and I have pricked them with this knife like this. Randomly picked it. If you want, you can just do with the fork also, but I would prefer to do with the knife. The reason of doing pricking is that the masala will definitely and nicely will be absorbed in these potatoes, because these are whole and these are almost 60 to 70% boiled. They are still 20 to 30% not cooked. They will be cooked half in the oil and then in the gravy. So let's start making it. This is 1 big cup of dahi or yogurt which I have just beaten it a little bit. These are red whole chilies which I have soaked in water, 5 to 7. I have taken out the seeds, almost all seeds, and soaked in hot boiling water for half an hour. These are the whole garam masalas, bay leaves, cloves. This is a big cardamom, small piece of cinnamon, jeera, cumin seeds. This is ginger powder. This is saunf powder, fennel powder, which plays a very important role in the flavor of this Kashmiri dum aloo. Hing is also very important ingredient. Coriander powder, haldi, salt, oil, and this is Kashmiri red chili powder, which is not very spicy, just it gives a very good color. And this is oil for frying. So first of all, I'm going to fry these potatoes in this oil until they are golden brown. I'm going to put these potatoes for frying. Fry them until golden brown. This oil is hot now. Fry them nicely. They should be almost cooked and rest of it will be cooked in the gravy. They look wonderful, small potatoes. It will just take around 4 to 5 minutes to get golden brown. And one more thing, I have always repeat whenever I make potatoes, when I boil them, I always add salt. It definitely gives a very good flavor to the potatoes. Inside, if you are not even frying or making them in masala, if you can just want to eat as a chaat, it will give a very nice flavor. It won't taste very bland. So do add, whenever you boil potatoes, just add a pinch of salt to it. I will fry them until they are golden brown. This red chili paste is ready. Now I'm going to add this in this yogurt. Wow, look at the color. This Kashmiri dum aloo is just named after the great red color of this curry. It tastes also good, and the color is actually very nice. Look at the color, beautiful color. Now while these potatoes are cooking, I'm going to make gravy, because potatoes are meant to be going in this gravy when they are hot, immediately after the frying. So I'll just start making the gravy now. This oil is hot. I've taken it on the pan. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. This is hing, which is very important. We'll keep the flame very slow. I'm going to add all these whole masalas and just cook it a little bit for a few seconds. See this, it's been few seconds now, 10-20 seconds. Now I'm going to add all these dry spices. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Keep the flame very slow, or just switch off the flame if you think the oil is too hot. Ginger powder, almost 1 teaspoon for a very good flavor. Saunf or fennel seed powder, around more than 1 teaspoon. Haldi and Kashmiri red chili powder for a very good color, because we have already added this whole red chilies, the paste in the yogurt. Now we are going to cook this masala very quickly. Now I have switched off the flame because the oil was too hot. I'm going to cook it quickly and add this dahi mixture. I'm going to switch off the flame now. I'm adding this dahi mixture along with this red chili paste, and we'll stir it continuously. We won't just leave it, we will stir this continuously so it doesn't curdle. Just keep it for a few minutes like this. Keep stirring it on a medium-low flame. Look at the color, wonderful color of the masala. It looks amazing, and I'm going to add, I've added the water in this bowl. Let it boil for 2-3 minutes, and I'm also going to add salt while boiling this. And the potatoes are also ready. I'm going to take out these potatoes. See, look at the color. They are ready, and I'm going to take out and just immediately put in this gravy. That's completely cooked now. As the oil has been released, see the color and the gravy. Now I'm going to add these potatoes, which are ready to go in the gravy now, one by one, and add all these potatoes. See, these potatoes are boiling now. Inside they are cooking. I'm going to cover this lid because we are going to cook it on dum, as the name says itself, on very slow flame. Just cover it, not with the whistle. Just cover it and just leave it for until they are properly cooked. Check on these potatoes now. It's been 10 to 12 minutes now. They have been cooking on this slow flame. Wow, they look amazing. Just switch off the flame now. Let's see, have they cooked? Wow, yeah, they're properly cooked now. See, they have become soft perfectly. Look at the color, the consistency. Everything is cooked and they are ready to go in the plate. Finally, I'm going to my favorite coriander on top of it, just to finish this and serve it now. We have served these dum alus. How wonderful they look. The color is also wonderful and the taste is too, and it smells awesome. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is very quick and nice recipe of alus. Do try and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.